Hey guys, good morning. Depends where you are on the globe. You can see the sun here. I'm in this forest. You can hear a certain sound, helicopter sound. They're flying this morning, checking things in the sky. There is a plane polluting the air. If it is not like that too, somebody cannot visit his or her hometown. Yes. So, subscribe to the channel. This is your man with the boy, IMC, the power of wisdom. And I just finished making morning prayer in this forest, quiet forest. As I was sitting right here, I saw elderly people, the age of 60, 65, 70. Some are walking with a walking stick. I thought I alone have the same idea of visiting the nature. I posted a video yesterday of a short video concerning a certain lady having a revelation of what is about to happen, or what is what is coming to happen. And I have the same revelations the beginning of this year. I think I put it on TikTok or on my YouTube channel. But those videos, nobody subscribed to it. Only few people watch it. So yesterday, as I came back from work, I was waiting for my food to get ready for me to eat. Then I saw that YouTube sent me some YouTubers which subscribe to my channel. If they also posted a video, then I also get alert. Then the lady was talking about the same revelation that I had some times ago. And then last week also, I woke up in the morning and then I was having the same discernment, revelation. I'm sitting in the bush right here. There is my foot. This is your man, not a boy, IMC, the power of wisdom. Subscribe to the channel for more. And what was the revelation last week? It was about Michael. What are you fighting for? If not that I'll be living in this country, this Europe country called Germany, I'll just be doing farming or doing my own thing to survive. But here I am. Guten Morgen. Schönes Wetter, gell? So those are the elderly people that I saw some times ago. They are also taking fresh air. Yes. Sometimes if I'm talking, and not sometimes, always if I'm talking, I talk about what happened, what the revelation that comes to me. So that very morning, then I finished my prayer and so on. Then the inspiration was coming. The question was coming, Mike, what are you struggling for? Then I answer that feeling, that revelation. Let me place the camera over here. Maybe you might see me. I don't know. Can you see me? Can you see me, dear? I hope so. I think you can see me. Let me remove this stick from there. And Then I was having that question that, Michael, what are you struggling for? Then I answered that if not that I'm living here in this Germany, that I have to pay for house rent and yeah, for the food there I don't care. I can survive. I can survive. You need a place to stay. And this Germany, it's been made like this, that you have to stay in someone's house. And here comes the case, the problem, that nowadays, some years ago, German people has changed. They have changed seriously. They can only give a house to those people that they know. Yes. Yes. That is my experience now. Like those 1, 2, 3 homes that I lived before. Then last minute they sold the house. I have to move to hotel. If not through connection, close friends, I will not live in those houses. They put houses online for renting. You go there, they write your name down. They said they will call you back. They will never call you. I went to the States to look for a house. The States wrote to me, how much are you earning from work? If you're earning more than 1,000 euro, then you have no choice. How? You are earning more than 1,000 euro. Let's say 1,200, 1,300. If you're earning above 1,000 euro, 1 cent, or even 1,000 euro flat, you have no choice to have access to a house from the state. Yes. They wrote to me that if I'm earning 600 euro, 800 euro, 700 euro, 500 euro, then they can give me a place to stay. How can I work and earn 700 euro? Everybody is working to put a legacy. It's either you buy a car, or you buy a land, or you build a house, or you buy a house for your generation to come, or to give it to somebody to live in. That is your legacy. And then the state will say that if you are earning 500 euro, then we can offer you a house to stay in. And if you are earning that 500 euro, they give you a house, they'll be monitoring you. You don't have to do anything to earn money more than that 500 euro. Then you are marking time. How can you help someone beside you? Any penny that will drop into your pocket, you have to make an account to them. If someone give you 50 euro, you have to give account to them. And it's putting a corruption into those people, mellowing themselves, losing their chances to live under the state houses. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. And here is the case that if you are living in this system for so long, 16 years that I'm living here in this Germany, and the system has entered me. If you watch back things that you lost, and if you close your eyes to go back home, you are lost. Your friends are going to laugh at you. What have you done? This brings me to a topic that I sang a song some years back as I was in primary school, and thinking of this kind of things. or things that's happening to friends of mine, and then I make it a song that last minute, what have you get out of what all your struggles? Now this is what is happening to me right now. So if you think about that, you stay in the system, continue suffering, continue struggling. Maybe tomorrow, the next 1, 2, 3 minutes, God is going to open a door. This is your man or the boy, IMC, the Parawism, sitting in the wilderness, in the jungle here. You can only hear birds, or if somebody also is roaming about or trying to take nature fresh air, then you meet such a person. So this song that I sang some years ago as I was in a primary school in Ghana is like this. You get a pole, you get a dengue, you get a pole, you get a waka krurupa, you get a pole, you get a dengue, you get a pole, you get a waka krurupa, wait till you get nothing, wait till you fight, you no fight nothing, wait till you shout, you no shout nothing, you get a pole, you get a dengue, you get a pole, you get a waka krurupa, you get a pole, you get a dengue. This is your man, not the boy IMC, the Parawism. Like I'll get a certain man that will promote my music. I'll create a lot of